Hi, welcome. In this lecture, we are going to be able to initialize Firebase for our web. Okay, now in order to do this, we have to go to the main.dat file. And first of all, over here, we have to say widget flutter binding dot ensure initialized. And also we have to call this. It's going to take some time to call Firebase. So what we have to do is to use the async over here because over here we're going to be using the await. Now we can say we want to await for Firebase dot initialize app. Now I know you must have tried this out, but this is not going to work just this way because it is different for the web. Now within the Initialize app, it has a property known as options. And first of all, we can check, we can say case web. And if you don't know what this is, you can easily just copy this, Control and C, and open a new tab and then paste. Or we can just say, what is this? And you can see it over here, a constant that is true if the application was compiled to run on the web. Okay, okay, hopefully you understand what it is now. And over here we can add the hand and say platform, platform, and default is gonna import from the dart.html, and this is not going to make your app to run. So what you have to do is to get rid of this and alight and use control and dot, and we want to import from the dart hio, and we can then say is 100. Then only we want to say Firebase options. And now you can see now it's asking for the API key, is asking for the app ID. You can easily just go to your indents.html to copy all those that are needed, but we can just go back to our browser and click on project overview, and you can see currently we have two apps, that is for the Android and for the web, and we have to then click on this to go to the web and scroll down. And you can see we have this API key over here, so we have to copy this, and I think I also copied the train comma. I'm going to paste this and use Ctrl and B to make this wide, and it's asking for the app ID. Okay, app ID, and this is it over here. Okay, and is asking for the messaging sender ID, and also we do have that messaging. Okay, this is it over here. Copy this and paste this. Okay, it's asking for the project ID, and now we have to go back and project ID. This is it over here and paste. Now, one additional property we do not have here is a property known as storage bucket. It is also required in order to initialize Firebase for the web. Else you're gonna get an error, something like app has already been initialized or so. So we have to copy this. You can see also we have it over here, storage bucket. So we have to copy this and paste. Great. And also we can then have the else. We want to say no. And okay, we already have this semicolon over here. If for any reason you don't have that, you can just add that to yours. And what we have to do is to stop our app or restart your VS Code and then rerun. But first of all, we're just going to hot restart this to see if this is going to work without errors. else you just have to stop your web, then you have to rerun. Okay, let's go check this out first to see if we have any errors, and click on upload. Okay, you can see we have no errors. We have successfully initialized Firebase for web. If you do have error, what you have to do is to stop over here. I've done this before, and that might be why I do not have to stop and rerun. So what you have to do in case you have any error is to stop this web from running and then rerun. You can stop over here and then relaunch over here. Okay, great. Now let's try to upload a banner. You can see we can click on upload image, and you can see we have this Markley. Take a note of the name of the file. It is called Markley Academy. So we can open. Okay, you're gonna sit over here, and now we can click on save. And I think it's currently uploading. For the now, we do not have any loading spinner or to tell it is currently being uploaded, but we can just go to our Firestore database, and also we can open the storage in a new tab. Remember the within the upload, we created a function to upload to our storage as well. You can see we have this over here. This function will basically help us to upload to our storage and also give us the URL to that. And you can see within this upload to Firestore, we are basically calling this function to work, and we are passing the image we want to be uploaded. And you can see seems cool. And let's go check our storage. And you can see now the name of the file. You can see seems cool, and hopefully yours is working same way. And you can see we still have that banners, and that is because we called it banners. And let's click on this to see if it got uploaded. And you can see now we have this new file over here working as expected. Seems cool. Okay, I'm just gonna click on this to see what's gonna happen, and got downloaded, and open this. Okay, working as planned. And if you have any errors, please do well to let me know, and I'm fully available to support you.